We are here at AT&T Executive Conference Center, the venue where the 2017 PM Growth Summit is going to be held, and school is in session. Today, Jordan will tell us about the workshop, pre-conference workshop. So on Wednesday morning, the conference kicks off at 2 p.m. On Wednesday morning, we're going to have a workshop with Scott Fritz. Jordan, why would people choose to attend that workshop?
You know, I met Scott about a year ago. I was actually introduced to him by another PM operator, a pair of them that he's done some consulting with. Really sharp guy. Scott is somebody that had a 10-year span of massive growth within his business, had a big fat exit. Now he lives in the hill country of Austin, and he consults with small businesses, and he helps them talk through the operational issues of changing that mindset from working in the business to on the business. He teaches some really clean and tight skill sets around managing your team, modifying how your labor and your organization is structured to actually enable growth rather than having that dead weight of lack of clarity and uncertainty about where the company is going. So the guy's incredibly sharp. If you haven't read it, check out his book, The 40-Hour Work Year. Check out the podcast episode that I had him on. I'll link that up in the show notes here, but he's really gonna bring some heat. You don't want to miss this.